Hello YouTube, welcome to another edition of Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. Let me put my oxygen back on real quick. I just sat down and forgot to grab it, but I can tell that I need it. So welcome to Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. If you're new, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here today. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that subscription button along with the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I put new videos out. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm always happy to have you back. If you could just make sure that you are still subscribed, because I've noticed YouTube is playing with the subscriber numbers again, so please make sure that you are still subscribed. So I thought I would just do a short video update for you. I haven't felt good at all today. I've been very tired. A horrible back pain. My kidney hasn't been working very well. And itching. Itching is one of the signs of end-stage renal disease. I looked that up the other day, and that is definitely one of the symptoms of end-stage renal. So the doctor ordered me a new medication that I started this afternoon. So we'll see if that helps any. I've just been very tired. My aide came this morning. I didn't even do my shower today. Usually I do showers on Mondays, Wednesdays, and then on Fridays, so that way I'm ready for the weekend, because then I go the whole weekend without a shower, and then I'm ready for one on Monday. I just couldn't do it. That was hurting too bad. Haven't eaten much today. I am sipping on a tomato soup. I am really liking those microwavable tomato soup cups. I've just been really cold today. I've been turning my air conditioner up. I bumped it up now to 78 because I've just been really cold all day. It's just not been a good day. I don't know. If I get feeling any worse, I will call the hospice number to see about having a nurse come out. We did get the water in my oxygen tank hooked up, so it doesn't need water to run, but it does help put moisture into your nose, and it keeps your nose from getting dried out and sore. Mine was starting to get a little sore, so my aide helped me hook the water up to it. It has really helped a lot. So yeah, I just have kind of taken it easy today. My new washing machine is amazing. I actually forgot yesterday to go out and put my clothes from the washer into the dryer, so they stayed in the washer overnight. So, and they were pretty well almost dry when I put them in the dryer this morning, and there wasn't a smell. The other washing machine had a horrible odor to it. I couldn't tell if it was the water or if it was the machine, but if I left anything in the machine overnight, it would really stink. And when I would go to switch it the next day, and I did not notice any smell with this machine. So washing machine is amazing. Yeah, I just keep turning the air up because I'm freezing. I have 2 blankets and a sheet on, and I'm just really cold, which is one of the reasons why I decided to do a tomato soup, because yeah, I haven't eaten much, and I figure this will help keep me hydrated and get something into my stomach. So I know I'm gonna have up and down days. I just hate the down days. There's so much I need to do and get done, and videos to make. I gotta work on getting my dining room table cleaned off, and just haven't done any of it. I don't know. I think I am feeling probably a little depressed, down in the dumps, I guess. I may ask the nurse for a medication for depression. Wouldn't hurt to try it, especially if it would help make me feel better and feel like doing something. I am working on a new picture. So it says the 1,000-mile journey starts with 1 step. So I'm trying to do a lot of bright colors on that one. And yeah, I just don't know. I did update my Amazon wish list. I put some Christmas coloring books on it. My gel pens are starting to run out, so then I'll be down to just the colored pencils. I do really like the gel pens. I think I have those on my wish list. When I'm done with this, I'll pull my wish list up and see if I put gel pens on there. But I'm just upset with myself. I hate feeling so down and so tired, and I guess I kind of got the blues a little bit. So yeah, I do think I need to talk to the nurse to see if there's something we can do for that. Tomato soup is really good. It's warming me up a lot. So I guess that's pretty much it. Just wanted to touch base and say hi to all of you. Oh, and I did want to show you, I do have, pardon my reach in front of the camera here, I do have my prayer list. When I tell you guys that I pray for you, That's my everyday prayer list. I actually put a couple names on there from another YouTube channel who said that they needed prayers for different things, so I added them to it. But yeah, I do want you guys to know that when I say that I'm praying for you, your name goes on that list. And I do pray for you. It does help me a little bit to feel like I'm at least doing something good when I pray over that list. I know that I can still help people, and it does make me feel a little bit better when I go over my prayer list. So just know that when I say I am praying for you, your name is on my prayer list. So I think that's it. I'm really getting tired again. I really hate this. I hate being tired. I hate that drugged out feeling. I know I'm on a lot of heavy duty meds that I do really need in order to function at all. But I just hate the way it makes me feel. So, I hope you guys are having a great weekend. I'm going to go ahead and end this by saying be safe, be happy, be blessed, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye.